Now we'll look at how to manage listings at scale, bulk updates, validation, and inventory sync to Target Plus. Now, once a listing is published, we can always go into any listing again, whether it was created in Goflow or not, and manage that listing the same way we would when we create it. Let's take, for example, this listing. We simply jump in here to manage the listing. We have all the information in here. We simply edit whatever we want and hit publish again, and we send it up to Target. Now let's look at how we would update listings in bulk. Sometimes you may want to update a bunch of listings together, and for that we have this import option. Let's start with Target. This lets you import your listing attributes specifically, targeting only the attributes you care about without affecting the others. As you input that into Goflow, we will validate that listing for you right away. To avoid this costly cycle of having to go to Target and then come back if they reject it and fix it in Goflow, we make sure we validate your listings right away. You can choose whether you want to validate it as you upload it, so that if it's invalid, we reject your file and we'll send you back a list of invalid listings with the exact reason as to what's wrong with them, and you can fix it and upload it again. Or if you choose to not validate the listing will be updated in Goflow even if it's invalid. But we won't push that up to Target. We will never push invalid listings up to Target. It will stay in Goflow, be updated in Goflow, be marked as a review, and you can come back to it later to fix it and then publish them. To create this file that you wish to upload, we built this template generator. You come in here, you start by selecting the category that you want to update, and it'll be displayed just like it is in the UI when you're doing it manually. For each one, we present exactly which attributes apply to this particular category, separated and required attributes, and optional attributes. You come in here, you select just what you want to update, say the closure type here, and maybe whether it's Prop 65. And then you simply scroll down, you download the CSV file, and you fill in your listing details just for these attributes that you want to update. You upload this file and you're good to go. And here's something even more powerful. This download actually gives you not just the column headers of what you're trying to update, but the individual details for every single attribute, like what type it requires, whether it's a number, whether it's text, whether it's a yes or no, and whether it's restricted to a list of choices. And if it's restricted to a list of choices, this download actually gives you all those choices directly in the file. Now, once you created this whole file, you come back in here, you select the options that you want here, you choose the file that you want to upload, and all your listings get updated in Goflow. They then get validated and pushed up to Target.